Good day guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to add up cells from a table in Excel. Right guys, so as you can see I've got two columns. My column A is just random names that I picked out, and then my B column is just ages that I picked up. Right guys, so now we want Excel to go and add up the age, all of these age cells, and tell us the total of the ages altogether in this column. Right guys, so how exactly do we do that? Right, so the first thing that I'm going to do, but guys, you don't have to go and do that. It's just like a more easier way to put it to yourself. So I'm just going to type total, just to show us that this side will give us the total. Right guys, so now the next thing that we are going to do is we must tell Excel a formula that it's going to use to add up these cells. Right guys, so there's two methods that I'm going to show you guys. The first method is I'm just going to call it the manual way because you are going to type it out. Right guys, so the first thing that we're going to do is you're going to go and type the equal sign, and you're going to type sum. So the sum tells us that something must be added together, right? And then you can add your bracket. And then, alright guys, so now I'm going to show you how this works. Right guys, so you are going to go and look from which cell you're going to start counting until the very last cell that you're going to stop the count. Right guys, so as you can see, we're in the B column because we're going to calculate the ages from the B column. And now you're going to go and look from where does the values start. Right guys, so as you can see, the first value starts at B2. So which means we are going to start at B2, and you're going to check at which cell does your last value end. Right guys, so as you can see, your last value ends at B7. Right guys, so now in the first thing that you're going to type after the bracket is the cell in which your value starts, which is B2. So you're going to go and type B2. Alright guys, so as you can see, it also highlighted the cell for you to make it easier for you guys to see. Right guys, and then you're going to first put your colon, just like that. And now you are going to type in your last cell, so which means in other words, where your last value ends, so which is at B7. So then you're going to type B7 and you close off your brackets. Right guys, and then you can just go and hit enter. And hit enter. Right guys, and there, as you can see, it calculated these cells for us, and it's going to tell you the total. So this is the total of the ages sorry guys, so this is the total from all of these ages. Alright guys, and now I'm going to show you the second method, and this is the method I prefer, and this is the fastest method. Right guys, so the first thing that you're going to do is select your column in which you want the total to be displayed. So which is in this column. Oh, sorry guys, not in the column, in the cell. Sorry guys, I always get confused with this. Then you're going to go to your formulas tab, and you are simply going to click on this sum logo or sum icon. Sorry guys, so I missed a step. So the first thing that you must go and do is go to this drop down button, and you're going to select sum, and then you're just going to click on this icon. And then there you go guys, as you can see, Excel already selected out the cells which will be calculated, and then you're just once again going to hit enter. And there you go, guys. So there's your total again. Right, guys, so thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. And guys, please go and subscribe for more videos and tutorials. We'll be making more tutorials and videos on how to use Excel, and especially how to work with software and hardware and everything regarding computers. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you guys have a great and fantastic day.